What a year. It's crazy to look back and think about all the people we met.
A Holly sniper.
All the wheeling we did. All the sights we saw. All the stories we told.
This is my Robin story. Did you get land on the side?
This is my engine bay.
We've done a lot, and we're just glad you guys got to be a part of it.
Mitchell was not going to get in.
I went out.
From the fun and exciting to the completely stupid and lame, thank you guys for supporting us this past year. You guys are the best customers that a business could ask for. We look forward to serving you guys in 2019, where hopefully we'll help get a few more of you guys' rigs out of the garage and onto the street or the trail or wherever it is you plan on taking your Bronco. We love it all. So anyways, thanks guys for this year's memories. We couldn't have done it without you all. Keep on turning those wrenches and having a blast with these 50-year-old trucks. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. And as always, with all of that being said,